Welcome back to homeschoolcurriculumcenter.com. We are your source for curriculum reviews and resources. We give you information on everything homeschool, including top curriculum choices, free curriculum options, best online curriculum, and resources for every subject. So, welcome back. Thank you for joining us on today. We are back with another great homeschooling resource. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. Today's resource is a free resource coming from Kahn Academy. So, Kahn Academy is a free online course resource that has courses available in science and math and other subject areas as well. Today's video will focus on their science course offerings, so let's explore and take a look. Remember, if you want to use Khan Academy, this is a great video. It gives a great overview of the Khan Academy curriculum and how to access it and how to use it in your homeschool. So definitely watch this video in its entirety for tips and tricks on how to use Khan Academy. All right, let's get started here. So Khan Academy has several science courses available on their platform. They do have science courses available for grade 6 all the way through college level science. So they have middle school biology, middle school earth and space science, middle school physics, high school biology, high school chemistry, high school physics, hands-on science activities. They have AP, which is our college level, which is advanced placement. So they have college biology, college chemistry, college environmental science, college physics 2, organic chemistry, health and medicine, cosmology and astronomy, electrical engineering, high school biology. This is for the Texas Techs, high school chemistry, and high school physics. So lots of available course offerings here for science. So remember, you would click on the science course that you want your child to take, and that would add that science course to their course offerings, their curriculum for their particular studies, and they would go from there. So let's take a look at the high school chemistry course here. So on the previous page, it also gave you under these are the subheadings for what will be taught or learned in that particular subject area there. So for middle school biology, here are the topics your student or your child would learn, and so on and so forth. So you can see, just about how long the course is, like how many units are there, and see if it's a quick course or not so quick, and so on and so forth. So definitely let's head on over to high school chemistry and take a look here. So when you assign this particular course to your child, they will have a little graph or chart just like this. The checkbox will fill in when your child completes that particular lesson or study for that particular subject area. It will tell you if they've mastered it, they will have a crown there. If they're proficient at it, they did really well. They're also familiar with it, so it's just halfway if they attempted it or not started, as these are open here, and then it'll give you the quiz and the unit test as well. So after so many lessons here, you will have a quiz by the little lightning bolt there, and then a couple more lessons, you have a quiz and then a unit test. In this particular course, there are, let's see how many units here. There are 11, or maybe I think 10 for the students, and then there's 11th one there for the teacher, for teacher resources. So definitely use those teacher resources as you need it, because you're the teacher right in your homeschool. And then these are the 10 units for the students. So they would start with their unit 1 there, and they get a brief summary of what the unit is about, and then they can begin learning. So there are lots of videos available in these units as well for Khan Academy, and so they have the videos here available. And there's also practice items here. You can practice they can practice what they've learned after they've done a few of the videos and learning material. So they would essentially click on these links here. It will pull up their video there to watch and learn the particular topics for this particular unit. So there is also a transcript available there, and there's an about there that kind of explains, gives them an overview of what to expect in this unit. So they can follow through with each of the lessons there. There's everything they need here, the little table of contents to help them to kind of flow through the lesson without interruption. So as they complete, their checkbox will actually check off, and they will be able to go on to the next lesson. So it says up next. So the next video there. So it will go to the next item here that's on the checklist here. They will view that video. And then up next is an exercise where they have to actually complete an assignment here. There are 4 questions. So that's kind of like a show what you know, and they will continue to progress through the particular lesson and unit. So remember, this is the high school chemistry. All the courses are laid out in and of the same, where the students have videos and practice activities in order to complete the curriculum. So lots of available options here at Khan Academy for their science. They do have all the grade levels available for middle school and high school and all the different offerings there. So your high school can actually take some of these courses for college credit. That will be the AP courses here, like AP biology and the chemistry, environmental science, and the physics 1 and physics 2. Those are actually AP and college courses, so they can take those courses in high school and gain college credit. So lots of options available here for Khan Academy. It is self-paced, so your students can work at it at their own pace. They can do it as quickly or as slow as they need to. They can stop and pause. They can do the research. So this is definitely a great option if you have a self-starter child who can kind of get going on their own. And also if you want to sit with them and learn with them, that's another option as well. So definitely check out Khan Academy as an option for science. It is available totally online and totally for free. It is organized for you, have built-in quizzes and tests, as well as lesson activities and unit studies and videos. So definitely head on over, check it out, see if any of these would fit for your children. If not, we have a full playlist available of science curriculum as well as all subjects available as well. So check out all of our playlists there for science and all the subject areas available for homeschool curriculum. There are so many options available out there. You do not have to feel stuck or unsure of how to proceed with homeschooling your children. Definitely check out the free options, online options, traditional options as well are available right here on our YouTube channel. So definitely binge watch these videos so that you can get all the needed information to make a plan to homeschool your children. All right, remember to share this video with other families so they have this information also. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. Also, check out the description box. There are so many links in there. And remember, happy homeschooling.